So this is my 71 Gladiator sitting on a 2010 JKU frame with a LS. It's a 6.0 aluminum block. Made into a 4L65, which goes through a Novak adapters to a 241OR Rubicon case. Trying to get my final placement. I wanted the transmission sitting nice and flat. Don't want my tranny man, Robbie Harris, getting mad. So checked it. I'm gonna have to trim a little bit for the drive shaft back in the back. It'll hit the cross member just slightly, so I'll trim that out. Got a set of cats and downpipes for it. Engine's back out. The entire drivetrain's emptied out because I gotta do some grinding, some welding, finish it up, and get her flipped over, fix some bolt holes. And so to do that, the 4L65 was completely built, but Robbie had to open it up and swap out the main shaft for the Novak shaft from 27 spline to 23 spline to mate up to the Rubicon box. So I'll continue a little bit, maybe not tomorrow. I gotta fix another truck.